We are pleased to show you the 2018 Fiesta. Ford will be offering a wide range of options and accessories on the Fiesta in a play to make the Fiesta highly customizable to fit the preferences of its drivers. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, air conditioning, hands-free link system, center armrest, power door locks, CD player, auxiliary audio input, remote keyless entry, tilt steering wheel, power mirrors. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
I'm Mike Murphy, owner of Mike Murphy Ford. I appreciate you visiting our website and hope you find it helpful. We would be glad to answer any of your questions, send you more photos, arrange a test drive, arrange financing. Just let us know how we can help. We get it. Price sells cars.